Free tips and tricks to help you with dog ownership. Who doesn't love having a dog? The attention they give you is second to none. The friendship they provide is stronger than most. That's why you have to pay your dog back and make sure that you are doing everything you can for him. Here are some suggestions about how you can do the best for your dog. Your dog has teeth just like you, so it makes sense that he needs proper dental care. Invest in a dog toothbrush and brush his teeth often. Simply allowing the vet to do it at his regular checkups is not enough. You can also purchase treats that are specifically meant to help with your pet's teeth. If you are in the market for a new puppy, make sure you will have enough time to devote to his training. On average, you need to take a young dog outside to do his business 8 times a day, and that can take a lot away from your schedule. Training takes more time and patience than most people realize. Your dog needs a dog house if he or she has to remain outside in cold weather. Adverse weather conditions can be detrimental to your pooch, causing illnesses, anxiety and poor behaviors. Your dog needs a space that is dry and provides him with adequate shelter. Avoid issues of jealousy if you have more than one animal. Particularly if you bring a young dog into the home of an older dog, problems can arise. Be considerate of the patience and energy levels of your senior dog and make sure his feelings aren't hurt by giving the new guy all the attention. After watching this video, hopefully you now have some ideas in mind to ensure that your dog gets the care he deserves. He certainly deserves it, as he gives you plenty of attention and love. Make sure you put these tips into action, so that your dog can get the benefits. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.